Alright guys, I've been doing a little work here on the Cougar motor to the 69. Like we don't have multiple 69 Cougars, but there shall be one. I'm trying to find, because we have that bin, or that little cardboard box with bolts from this engine. And I've found all but I think 3 of the exhaust bolts. So when we go do that, we don't have to go look for the bolts because I've already found them. I have the engine mounts installed. I got matching bolts. So that's in. That's in. I have this stud marked to cut it, because obviously you don't want to leave that much stud sticking out. Let's see, what else have I done? I went through, made sure all of these bracket bolts and everything were tight. I still have to tension this, and I would tension this, but we don't have the alternator bracket yet. So I gotta wait for that, and then I can tension this belt. But I'm gonna tension this one, and then this one's already done. So yeah, gonna do that, and then tomorrow, not tomorrow, but next week, because today's Thursday, so next Monday, I'm gonna get my paint brushes, because I have the correct paint brushes at home, and I'm gonna touch that up because I accidentally got some black on the paint. But other than that, yeah, you guys saw how it looked before, so way better. Wipe it down, but yeah. And then that's without the stickers. We have the sticker. Bobby ordered the stickers too, so those are coming. And then soon enough, when the car is back from paint in a few weeks, this will be in the engine bay along with the transmission. So, yeah, getting there one step at a time. Later.